Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through installing Nmap on Ubuntu in just 2 easy steps. Let's start so you can explore Nmap's capabilities in no time. To ensure everything goes smoothly, let's start by updating the package list on our Ubuntu system. Type the command in the terminal. Sudo apt-get update. This command fetches the latest package information, helping your system know about the latest updates. Once the update is complete, you'll see a confirmation message that the update is finished. Now that our package list is up to date, let's move forward with installing Nmap. In the terminal, type the command sudo apt-get install Nmap. Your system will prompt you to confirm the installation. Type Y and hit enter. The installation process will then continue, and in a few moments, Nmap will be installed on your system. Let's confirm that Nmap is installed and check its version. Run the command in the terminal. Nmap version. You should see the version of Nmap displayed, along with other details about the installation. And that's it. In just 2 simple steps, you've successfully installed Nmap on your Ubuntu system. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and happy scanning.